A judge has ruled against comedian Bill Cosby's wife, Camille, ruling she does have to sit for a deposition in one of the civil suits against her husband. NBC's Kristen Dahlgren explains what the plaintiff's attorneys hope to get out of the testimony from Camille Cosby.
After a year of standing mostly quietly by her man, Camille Cosby is scheduled to break her silence next week. The 71-year-old will be deposed by lawyers representing 7 of the women who claim Bill Cosby drugged and/or sexually assaulted them. Their lawyers believe her testimony will be key.
She has information clearly about his sexual proclivities, his sexual encounters, consensual or otherwise, with other women, his use of quaaludes.
The women are suing in federal court, saying Cosby defamed them by publicly denying their claims. They are among more than 50 women who have alleged some form of sexual misconduct.
Mr. Cosby, you want to say anything?
Camille Cosby was noticeably absent in court this week when her husband was charged with aggravated indecent assault. Her only public statement more than a year ago. The man I met and fell in love with and whom I continue to love is the man you all knew through his work. Camille has been married to Bill Cosby for more than 50 years, the mother of his 5 children, but also his business manager.
They may be looking for business records. They could be looking for checks that were paid out through the business, knowledge of when and where he was and when he was supposed to be.
Cosby has repeatedly denied all allegations and is countersuing the 7 women for defamation.
I believe when you separate what happens in the court of law from what has been allowed to happen in the fictional court of public opinion, you will get an outcome that justice requires.
On New Year's Eve, Bill Cosby tweeted thanks to his friends and fans, breaking his silence just days before his wife faces questions. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, New York.